morning to one and all present over here. Most respected our physics teacher, Sir Amit. I myself, Viktashi Vardhan, member of our team Bangoli Beaut, came over here to demonstrate our project on buoyancy force. First of all, let us understand what is buoyancy force. Buoyancy force is an upward force that is exerted by the fluid on the object. Now I'd like to call Sankita to explain more.
Good morning one and all present over here, myself Shankita Atta. So now we got a container full of water and a plastic bottle. Now I will immerse the bottle in the water. But we can see that the bottle tends to come upwards and float, and this is because of Newton's third law, which is action-reaction force. Newton's third law states that every action has an equal and opposite reaction, which means if the fluid is applying force on the object, then the object is also applying force on the fluid. But the force of the fluid is more than the object, because of which the object tends to float. Now Karishma is going to explain it further.
Good morning everyone, those who are present over here. Good morning everyone, those who are present over here. Myself Kashmita Das. In second case, we saw that the object was floating. So I'm going to immerse a stone into this water. So in second case, we saw that the object is floating, and now
second case it is floating.
Yes. Sorry, in first case, we saw that the object was floating, and now in this case the object was settled down. But why? This is because of the force of the object is more than the force of the fluid.
The object is more dense.
So who discovered the buoyancy force now? And when? The buoyancy force was discovered by a Greek mathematician and philosopher Archimedes in the 3rd century BC. So now I like to call it the Shrivartan to explain the rest of the part.
So now I'm going to calculate the value with the help of the video which I sent to sir. Sir, can you please display the video?
It's in form.
Hi guys. Here I got a glass full of water.
Here I got the plate to store the displaced water.
Here I got the container of ghee.
Now we are going to find the buoyancy force.
Look this stone because it is more suitable. We need to drop this stone into the water.
Now we can see that there is some water displaced on the plate. We are going to measure the displaced water.
The displaced water, and when we measured, we got 50 gram or 50 milliliter of water.
Thank you, sir. So in that video we got that 30 grams, and we know that weight is equal to mg, which is mass into gravity, and we got mass 50 grams, or we can also write 0.005 kg, and gravity is 9.8. The weight is 0.049 Newton, which is the force exerted by the fluid on the object. I'm going to say some disadvantages and advantages of buoyancy force. Some advantages of buoyancy force are: it helps the swimmer to stay closer to the surface, and it helps the object to float. Some disadvantages of buoyancy force are limitations in size and expansion, stability challenges. With this, I'd like to conclude our project right here.
What will be the SI unit of buoyancy force? Assign unit of buoyancy force.
I don't understand.
Unit of force. Huh? What is 1 Newton?
When
Define 1 Newton.
Forgot.
Why a ship floats by a nail sink?
Because
Ship is made of so big iron, right? The whole body is iron. A single safety pin will get sink. Why not a ship?
Making the surface area more.
Surface area.
because the surface area is small.
and the ship is hollow like structure, it has a hollow like structure.
Low structure. And anything else?
Because of the fins or like I don't know what it's called.
You should know this thing. Okay. Thank you. Very good.